Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and it's time to give away the SG Custom guitar plans. I'd just like to take a second here to ask you to share my videos wherever you can. That would help me out. Also, if you think I deserve it, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, to do so now and click the bell notification button, because you're going to be giving away more guitar plans and you're not going to want to miss out. Okay, so it's time to give them away. A lot of great comments. I especially like the people who said Frank Marino freaking rocks. Why doesn't Frank Marino have a signature SG? It's like all he has ever played his entire career are SGs. Like I said, a lot of great comments, a lot of great guitar players down in there. Robbie Krieger, you know, I haven't thought about him in a while, but when I think about him, I actually think about a 335. But yeah, in the early days, he played the SGs. Really, too many good answers to have to pick one. So everybody wins. Everybody who commented down below, you win the plans. Email me at boudreaux_guitars@yahoo.com and I will send you the plans in a PDF format. You can take them down to your local office supply store and have them print them out full size for you, and then you can make your templates and build a kick-ass SG style guitar. That's it. Also, one other thing, I'm giving everybody a 48-hour window to email me about their plans, because you know, people are going to jump in even though they didn't even bother, you know, putting a comment in, or they might even be one of those ass wipes who thumbs down the video. You know, those, you know, giving away something, somebody thumbs down it. What the hell's wrong with you people? So you got a 48-hour window to get a hold of me. All right, you guys behave yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.